Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make a sweet potato shepherd's pie. This is really good, guys. I never thought I would taste sweet potato at this level. It's so good. It's so yummy, and of course, you know, sweet potato is so healthy for us, you know. So let's go to the kitchen and see how I do the sweet potato shepherd's pie. In my pot here, I already peeled and cut up into pieces one large sweet potato. I'm going to fill up the pot with some water and put this to boil and allow the potato to get nice and tender, so I could easily make a mashed sweet potato thingy with it. Okay, so here I have one medium onion that I thin slicely, and one medium green sweet pepper that I diced up very finely. So this here is a vegetarian patty. Right now for this sweet potato shepherd's pie, I'm using this vegetarian patty. I'm not using the regular ground beef or ground turkey or ground chicken. My husband doesn't like either of those, but I know he likes this vegetarian patty. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut it up very finely and use it in place of the ground beef. Like I said before, I know he likes this. This is already cooked, and let me show you what it looks like inside the box. There's 4 patties in the box, and they look like this. And I'll just cut it up very small, and I'll saute it with the tomato and the sweet pepper, and then top that off with the mashed sweet potato. So let's see how we get this thing put together. Okay, so here's my 4 patties cut up very finely into small chunks. So as they saute with the onions, they're going to break up even smaller. Okay, so now we're going to season the filling. So I have my pot on the stove. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to add the sliced onion. Let it sort of saute a bit. After about 2 minutes, I'm going to add the sweet pepper. Now I'm going to add the veggie patties. Now remember, you could use, for this recipe, you could use the ground beef, ground turkey, ground chicken, whatever you like, and season it how you normally would season your meats. Okay? Now this, like I said before, this veggie patty basically is all cooked, so it doesn't really take long. I just want to get it to absorb the flavors from the onion and the tomato. I'll still put a little extra seasoning. I'm going to put, I have some chili powder, or quarter teaspoon of paprika powder. This is 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and I have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Okay, so my filling is basically all done. So at this point, you can basically check to see that it has enough salt or pepper, whatever you need to add, and add it at this particular point. Just add your salt and pepper to taste. Now on to the topping with the sweet potato. Okay, so here's my sweet potato all nice and cooked and nice and tender. I'm going to use a potato masher to mash it up. And also I'm going to season it, I'm going to add about a quarter teaspoon of salt, and I have here about 3 tablespoons of 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, condensed milk, and I have 2 tablespoons of butter. So here we go. sort of pretty color. Pretty color. And sweet potatoes are so healthy for you. So good. Okay, so here's my baking dish. I sprayed it with a bit of palm spray, non-stick spray, and I put the filling with the vegetarian patty that I chopped up and seasoned up and everything. I forgot to mention too, I also added about 1 tablespoon of finely chopped parsley, and now I'm just going to top it off with the mashed sweet potato. This will be so good. Oops, I made a little mess there. Just level this off to the top, like that, like so. Now you have an option to top this off with some cheese, but I think I will just stay away from the cheese for a little while. But like I said, you could add cheese, top it up with some cheese. My oven is set at 350 degrees. And I'll allow this to bake for about 30 minutes. Okay folks, so shepherd's pie is all done. Sweet potato shepherd's pie is all done. Just remember, I use the vegetarian patties. You could use ground beef, ground turkey, ground chicken in this recipe. Okay, so let's give this a taste. My goodness, this is so good, so good. The sweet potato is so nice and, you know, smooth, yummy, tasty, of course healthy. And with that vegetarian patty, this is a winner. This is a winner, guys. A winner. Okay, you know the drill. If you enjoyed this recipe, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.